Okay, for the lights, drag down the exposure to about negative 0.17 or negative 0.18. And then the contrast will be plus 40. Now for the highlight, set it to negative 75. And the shadows will be on negative 25. Drag down the whites to negative 68 or negative 69. And the blacks I want to bring up to about 25 as well. And then we want to take a look at the curve. Drag down the upper point a little bit and pull up the bottom point a little bit. And then we want to fix our 2 points. Drag down this spot a little bit, and for this spot pull it up a little bit, just like this, and click done. Then we are going to go to color, and in here I'm going to change the vibrance to negative 10. Then we want to hit the mix up on the right, and let's starting in the red color. Set the hue to plus 10, the saturation to negative 25, and luminance to negative 10. Then move over to the oranges. Push the hue up to plus 4, pull the saturation down to negative 20, and the luminance up to plus 10. Then jump over to the yellow, pull the hue down to negative 70, the saturation to negative 33, and the luminance as well down to negative 7. Jump over to the green, and I want to bring down the hue to negative 5 and the luminance to negative 15. Then jump over to the aqua and push up the hue to about 35, the saturation down to negative 70, and the luminance down to negative 10. Then jump over to the blue, and in here I just change the saturation down to negative 70. Okay, now click done. Then we are going to go to effect. Now for the clarity, set it to plus 15, and the dehaze I want to set it to 20. This is look dark. Then I want to adding dark vignette effect, so just go in vignette and set it to negative 24, and I also change the feather to 90. Okay, then hit the split tone on the upper right and pull the highlights over by dragging to the right. We are lifting the hue to about 215 and the saturation to about 10. Then the shadows, we just want to push the shadows, making a little blue, so we drag them over to about 240 hue somewhere the blue, and 10 for the saturation. And then click done. Go over to details, scroll down till you see noise reduction, and push that up to about 10 as well. This is guys here a little before and after, and I think we really came close to this look.